Alright everyone, for today's review I have a 2019 Nissan Pathfinder SL all-wheel drive. All the specs of this vehicle will be in the description as far as all the contact information for this particular vehicle. This vehicle is located at Rosario Nissan in Merced, California. Here's the key fob. This vehicle does come with the step assist, so it helps making getting into the vehicle easy in and out. This is a beautiful red, by the way. I really do like this red. As far as tailgate go, you can easily open it with the controls located here, or also on the key fob when you hold down the lift gate button. And it will chime to let you know it's opening. As far as space goes, with the third row you do get a good amount of space, but you can also get a lot more once you roll these seats back down with a simple pull on the lever. Let's see, we'll go down. You also move stuff back here, and then you have little cargo slots here located in the back. As far as a power display or a power outlet, and then little hooks here you can hang a rack in the back. So as you can see here, the third row comes with its own AC outlets, as far as two cup holders each on each side. To close the tailgate, all you gotta do is hit the button, and it'll chime to let you know it's going down. This car also comes with a little cubby hole, perfect for a cell phone, so it's not going everywhere as you're driving. So to turn on the vehicle, all you do is put your foot on the brake, push to start. The thing I like about this row or Pathfinder in particular is that the seat is back, so once you do turn on the car, the seat will bring you forward, so it kind of gives you more room to kind of get in and out. So as far as the navigation screen, everything is easily controlled by either touch screen or by the controls here on the panel. Now if you click on this button, cameras, you can review what's behind you as far as a bird's eye view. And if you click it again, you can also see from your blind spots. So a really cool feature I do like about that. Now underneath the screen you do have your climate controls as far as your radio and CD player. Your glove box. Now as far as here, you're able to control your settings as far as two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, or you can also just leave it on auto. You have tabs here on the center console for upper and lower. So there's your upper space and your lower space. You get two USB ports, one SD micro slot, auxiliary port, and a video auxiliary. Pretty good space. Also, you do have your driver and passenger side heated seats as far as your controls here for the heads-up display and your cruise control. Both driver side and passenger side windows are automatic. Now let's move on to the back. Like I said earlier in the video, this does have a step for easy in and out access. Now as far as backspace go, you do get a lot of room in the Pathfinder. You get easy legroom that far away from the driver's seat. As far as climate controls for the back passengers and a USB power outlet. You do also have an in-home outlet, and both rear and passenger back seats are both heated. You have a cup holder on the door. as far as one lower on the door with another cubby slot. So you do get a good amount of room. And to get in the back seats, all you gotta do is pull on this cargo mode. And everything's fairly simple to use, really easy to use. This Pathfinder does come in black leather, which is really nice. Here you got your controls for your trash control, heated steering wheel, cargo, blind spot, and tow mode. So let's open up the hood. Now, as far as here on the apps, you do have a couple to choose from that come with the vehicle. Good 9.3 bolsters on the steering wheel to hold. Door panels do have a soft touch to them, and the dash is fairly plastic. Now, one thing about this Pathfinder that I did find pretty cool is that it does have a performance meter, so kind of see your fuel consumption and your fuel range. So I thought that was pretty cool for a Pathfinder. So we're gonna give it a little gas on this freeway entrance. Let's see how it does. Not bad for a Pathfinder. Especially for its size, it does pick up really easily to 60. This vehicle also does come with blind spot monitoring, so when a vehicle is in your blind spot, the vehicle will give you a chime once you have your indicator indicating your lane change. As far as visibility goes, everything is really easy to see. Windows are nice and large. Over the shoulder look is very easy to see what's on your side. I'm going to put on the navigation screen. As far as ride quality, the ride on the Pathfinder is smooth as well. Soaks up the bumps really well, so kind of gliding over it. Not too much shake as far as the suspension. Road noise as well, very good. Keeps everything nice and isolated inside. So we're going to see right now how it handles in the corner. Not a lot of body roll. Very minimal body roll, stuck to the corner. Now with the steering wheel as well, with these controls, you can actually view your PSI on tires, your load as far as all-wheel drive, where it's sending its power to. Show you guys in just a second. Right there on the center screen. Your auxiliary, compass, and if your vehicles have any warning, the vehicle will also tell you its warning on the tachometer in the center display, which I thought was pretty cool. As far as controlling the Pathfinder, everything is fairly simple. The buttons do exactly what they say, no tricks. Everything is perfectly as far as arms reach while driving. Nothing is too far and too low. It's all in a hand's reach. I do like that a lot. I do like the little design that they kind of gave it like a hex carbon fiber-ish look. But I am a big fan of that. It does look very clean. The interior, as far as the design, the looks, I do like it a lot with the leather. Seats feel amazing. They feel really soft, really comfortable as far as you're going to do long driving. Now this is a tough part of the road, and the Pathfinder seems to be handling it excellently. Not too bumpy, not too noisy. It's really good. I'm really impressed with that. Now here on the door handles, you do have your memory settings for 2 slots of memory, or 2, as I would say, preset for drivers as far as their seat and steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and do one last walk around. Let me turn on the hazards. Like I said, all the vehicle specifications will be in this description as well as all the contact information for Merced Rosari Nissan, as well as stock number so you can specify on the vehicle itself. Thank you guys for looking at this review, and I'll see you all in the next vehicle.